Hey, go ahead, lovers. In this video, we'll be discussing about MailJet. Let's install it first. We are on the agency level right now. We have to just find for app marketplace from here and search for MailJet. Here it is. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you want to choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation from here. But right now, we will be just using our sub account that is just a test. Continue with that. Allow and install. In a moment, it will be installed. The next step will be moving forward towards the app configuration in the sub account level on which we have installed MailJet for workflows. As you can see, it is successfully installed. You can see the installation from here as well. Find for the sub account. Here we are. And let's just find for the app configuration in the navigation bar. You can see it here. And type in MailJet to get it configured. From here you have to need the API key and the secret key from MailJet. First, you have to sign up your account, and after that, in the API key, you can just create both of these. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our MailJet account, and as you can see, I have already settled it in the API section. You can find for the API key management, and from there, after just activating your account, you can just create the API key and the secret key. Copy paste both of these, and when you paste it, you can just click on the connect button. As you can see, it is successfully connected now. Let's head towards the automations. Now we will be creating a workflow to check on what value is being provided by MailJet for workflows. Here we are in our workflow builder now, and let's just create a new action and find for MailJet. Here it is. These are the variety of actions that you can use into your workflows and create your own automations. There will be endless possibilities with these actions. You can use template language, use template, contact, formatting, and so on. So it's up to you. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.